What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can block someone on Snapchat. Okay, so what you need to do first is open up your Snapchat account. After that you have to go to your chat options, like here you have to find the friend that you want to block. Please watch the full videos to solve your problem and leave a like on this video if this is works, and subscribe my channel. So after that you have to find the friends that you want to block. I'm going to block this person. Okay, after that you have to click on the person's name in the top right here. You have to go to their profile. Then after that, here is a, you can see here is an option, three dot bar option in the top right corner. You want to click on this three dot bar option. Then after that, here you can see this is the option manage friendship in the second option right here. You want to click on it. Then here you can see this is the block option. That's just like that. You have to click on the block. Then after clicking on the block, you have to confirm that you want to block this person. If you click on this block option right here, the Snapchat will block this person from your account. So this is how you can block anyone on your Snapchat account. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Peace.